Welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin's Shipment 8, due in early January 2021, so that is due in on the 8th of January, but with customs and so on, it'll take a few more weeks for that for us to unload and register and all that kind of thing, so probably due for February. But apart from that, you're going to be seeing about 50 motorcycles in these videos. Each one of them will go through the condition, mileage, price, that kind of thing, so you'll have a better idea of what to expect. We're then taking €250 deposits if you want to secure a particular bike. And do remember that the last brochure we sold up to 30 bikes before they even landed, so they do go high on demand, especially our 50s, 70s and 90s, that is, in Hondas. Remember to like, subscribe and comment down below on what you think of these videos. They do take a long time to create, so any of those is greatly appreciated. So that's it for now. So enjoy the next bike you're going to see. Enjoy the video. So bike one, the first bike on the brochure is a Honda Little Cub 50. So the way I did it before was I went through the bike in great detail, zooming in on everything, but what I'll do now, I think that's a bit boring at times. I'll just show you any kind of marks that need to be noted of, and then everything else can kind of be assumed as being really good. So I've checked the front tires on this, perfect. A little background on the Little Cub is they've the 14-inch wheels over the 17-inch wheels on the Honda 50s usually. So a little smaller in stance. They're a bit rarer and more desirable in a lot of cases because of their brighter colors that they come in. This one is a particularly popular color combination of baby blue with the beige seats. So this one has the beige seat, and the foot pegs and the grips are matching as well in the greyness. So this is the left hand side of the motorcycle. There is no kind of real blemishes to make note of. Slight bit of aging, and there's only 7,000 miles on the bike, so that's extremely low. It's a 2007 bike as well, so that's that. So the age and all that, an AA01 chassis number, if that makes any difference to you, rather than C50. But these Japanese bikes really come with no rust. I mean, the main spots on 50s are the top of the suspension here, which, as you can see, no rust there. Chain guard areas, anything that's kind of picking up the road dirt and rain is there. So that's the left hand side of the bike, and the only real blemish that I can see is on this right hand side cover casing on the right. There seems a bit of a chip on the right hand side engine cover casings. But apart from that, it's really good. I think this one actually has self-start, so electric start as well, which is really nice to see. So that's it for the Honda Little Cub and bike one on our brochure. Okay, that's for this video, this particular bike. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like. Also comment and subscribe will be greatly appreciated. As well as that, if you do want to look at all the bikes, the brochure will be linked in the description. Just fill out that form and the brochure will be sent to you automatically. So that's really that for that video. All the other videos are linked there in the brochure or will be uploaded here on YouTube. So that's it for that video. Thank you for watching.